I thought I'd do another fun, easy and tasty DIY for you since so many of you guys like my last food DIY. So I'm going to be showing you how to make a chocolate and banana wrap. Let's do this thing. So first you're going to take your wrap and spread chocolate spread, in my case Nutella, over it. And peel your banana and place it in the wrap like this. Fold your wrap up and it should look like this. Now, if you want to, you can slice it into little pieces for everyone to have a bit. It's a wrap! Chocolate wrap! I really like these and you might enjoy it like I do to have as an after school snack or just have with your friends.